If you're over 60 and your daily meal replacement doesn't lead with protein and instead hides water, sugar, or corn syrup as the first three ingredients, you are not drinking medicine. You are drinking liquid candy with a vitamin sticker on the front. The front label says complete nutrition. The back label says dessert. Today I'm going to show you exactly which meal replacements to retire, which ones to replace them with, and why the difference between a sugar-first bottle and a protein-first bottle is not a small detail. After 60, it is the whole game. Most seniors aren't drinking these strength shakes because they want to. They're drinking them because someone they trusted, a doctor, a nurse, a family member, handed them a bottle and said, "This will keep your strength up." That recommendation felt official. It felt like medicine. So you never questioned it. You twisted the cap every morning, drank it with breakfast, or instead of it, and trusted that the label was telling you the full story. It wasn't. Before we get into specific bottles, you need to understand one thing about your body after 60 that changes everything about how you should think about meal replacements. After 60, your muscles stop responding to protein the way they did at 40. Your body needs more protein, not less, to maintain the same muscle mass. The medical term for age-related muscle loss is sarcopenia. It is one of the leading contributors to falls, frailty, loss of independence, and early mortality in older adults. Research now recommends at least 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight every day for seniors to maintain muscle function. For a 150-pound person, that's roughly 80 grams of quality protein daily. And the word quality matters as much as the number, because protein delivered on top of a sugar spike does not build or maintain muscle the same way clean protein does. The insulin response triggered by a high-sugar meal replacement promotes fat storage and inflammation at the exact moment your body is trying to use that protein to repair and maintain muscle. You are not just getting less benefit, you are working against yourself. So when you reach for a nutritional supplement after 60, the question is not, does it say protein on the label? It is, what is hiding behind that protein? Let's start with the bottles almost every senior has either been given or currently has in their refrigerator right now. Ensure Original is the most recognized nutritional supplement in America. It has been the go-to meal replacement for recovering seniors for decades. It sits next to the pharmacy counter. Hospitals send patients home with cases of it. Doctors mention it by name. The front says Complete Balanced Nutrition. It lists 27 vitamins and minerals and shows a smiling older adult living their best life. Then you flip the bottle around. The first three ingredients: water, corn maltodextrin, and sugar. Each 8-ounce bottle contains 15 grams of sugar and only 9 grams of protein. That is more sugar than protein in the bottle your doctor said would help you maintain your strength. Corn maltodextrin is worth understanding because it's the ingredient Ensure hides in plain sight. It's a highly processed carbohydrate derived from corn that has a glycemic index higher than table sugar. It enters your bloodstream fast, spikes insulin hard, and tells your body to store energy as fat, not to build or repair muscle. It's used because it's cheap, it has a long shelf life, and it makes the drink taste smooth and pleasant. It was not chosen because it supports a 60-plus metabolism. Picture 5 teaspoons of sugar on your kitchen counter. Pour them into a glass. That is essentially what you are swallowing with every Ensure Original. If you drink 2 a day, which many seniors do during a recovery period, that's 10 teaspoons of sugar before a single meal. Your doctor recommended keeping your strength up. The formula is quietly working against that goal every single morning. Boost Original is the same architecture under a different brand. The first 3 ingredients are also water, glucose syrup, and sugar. Glucose syrup is liquid sugar before it even hits the sugar line on the label. Nestlé designed Boost for palatability and distribution scale, not for a senior body managing blood sugar and trying to maintain leg and grip strength. 10 grams of protein is listed on the front. It doesn't tell you those 10 grams are swimming in a processed sugar foundation. Carnation Breakfast Essentials. Ready to drink is marketed specifically as a morning nutrition solution. Seniors and their families buy it thinking breakfast is covered. Want to guess what the first 3 ingredients are? Water, corn syrup, and milk protein concentrate. Corn syrup leads the carbohydrate story before any meaningful protein appears. The front says 13 grams of protein. It does not say that protein arrives after corn syrup has already told your body to spike insulin and store fat. All 3 of these bottles share the same original design flaw. They were built around a sweet taste, shelf life, and mass distribution first. Nutrition for a 60-plus body was never the primary engineering goal. The vitamins on the front are real, the minerals are real, but the delivery system, processed sugar water, is actively undermining the muscle preservation goal those vitamins are supposed to support. If your doctor handed you one of these during a hospital stay or after a procedure, that was a short-term caloric intervention designed to get calories into a body that wasn't eating enough. That is a legitimate and important medical purpose. It was not a recommendation for a lifetime daily habit. There is a difference, and the supplement industry is counting on you not knowing it. These are the bottles seniors switch to when someone tells them Ensure and Boost have too much sugar. They look like the smarter choice. The label changed. The formula didn't change enough. Ensure Plus is the higher calorie version of Ensure Original. More nutrition, more protein, more of everything a recovering senior needs, including 20 grams of sugar per bottle. It still leads with corn maltodextrin. The protein went up slightly to 13 grams. The sugar also went up more. If you switch to Ensure Plus because someone said the regular one has too much sugar, you moved sideways, not forward. Boost High Protein is Boost's answer to the same criticism. High protein is right there in the name. Seniors and their families see it and assume the sugar problem was fixed. 15 grams of protein, which is a meaningful improvement. But flip the label. Boost High Protein still leads with glucose syrup. The protein number went up. The sugar architecture underneath it did not change. The front label was upgraded. The back label wasn't. Glucerna deserves the most careful explanation in this entire video because it carries the most medical credibility of any product on the stop list. It is specifically marketed at seniors with diabetes and prediabetes. The packaging says helps manage blood sugar response. Doctors recommend it, pharmacies stock it in the diabetes care aisle, seniors trust it completely because of where it lives in the store and who pointed them toward it. The sugar content is lower than Ensure, around 4 to 7 grams depending on the version. That is a real improvement and worth acknowledging. But when you flip the Glucerna bottle over, the ingredient list has grown more complicated, not simpler. Multiple artificial sweeteners, canola oil as a primary fat source, a longer list of processed ingredients than the product it was supposed to improve on. The blood sugar marketing is real in the sense that Glucerna spikes glucose less than Ensure. But spikes less is not the same as built correctly. For a senior with diabetes who is already managing 5 daily medications and trusting this bottle as their medically appropriate meal replacement, the gap between Glucerna's promise and its formula is the most important conversation in this video. Better than Ensure is not a high bar, and a senior with diabetes deserves better than a low bar. These two categories together, the original hospital bottles and the upgraded versions, represent the entire landscape of what most seniors have been handed and told to trust. Every one of them leads with the wrong ingredient. Every one of them was built for a different purpose than what your body needs after 60. So let's talk about what that actually looks like. Now let's flip it entirely. Let's talk about the meal replacement drinks that were actually built to do what your doctor was trying to accomplish when they said, drink a nutritional supplement. The most important thing to understand about this category is that the format is identical to what you already know, ready to drink. Twist the cap. No preparation, no blender, no special equipment. The convenience that made Ensure and Boost easy to adopt is completely preserved. The label is the difference. Fairlife Nutrition Plan is the primary upgrade. 30 grams of protein per 11.5-ounce bottle, 2 grams of sugar, 150 calories. The first ingredient is filtered low-fat milk, not water, not corn syrup, not corn maltodextrin, filtered milk, a real food ingredient that protein naturally lives in. Fairlife uses an ultrafiltration process that concentrates the protein already present in milk and removes most of the lactose, which is why the sugar is so low and why it is lactose-free. The result is a bottle that delivers more than 3 times the protein of Ensure Original at 1/7 the sugar, in the same ready-to-drink format available at Walmart, Costco, Target, and Sam's Club. This is the bottle your doctor was trying to describe when they said, "Drink something to keep your strength up." It just didn't exist in the mainstream hospital supply chain when many of these recommendations were first made. It does now. And it is sitting on the same shelf where you used to buy Ensure. Premier Protein 30 grams shake is the budget lane of this category. 30 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 160 calories per bottle. It is price competitive with Ensure and available everywhere. And it's often on sale at Costco. It does use sucralose and acetylsulfame potassium as sweeteners, rather than natural alternatives, worth knowing. But compared to 15 grams of sugar from corn maltodextrin, the trade-off heavily favors Premier Protein for a senior managing blood sugar and muscle health. This is the bottle for the person who says, "I want the formula to be right, I want to find it anywhere, and I am not paying a premium price for it." That is a completely reasonable position, and Premier Protein meets it. Both of these bottles answer the same question your doctor was trying to answer when they recommended Ensure or Boost. They just answer it correctly. Some seniors want to go further than just low sugar. They want to know that every ingredient on the label is something a doctor would recognize as food. That means no artificial sweeteners, no processed oils, nothing with a chemical name they have to look up. Pioneer Pasture's high-protein shake has the cleanest ready-to-drink label of any meal replacement in this entire video. When you flip it around, the ingredient list is short enough to read in one breath. Real milk first, monk fruit for sweetness, and a handful of things you'd recognize as food. No artificial sweeteners, no canola oil, no processed carbohydrates, 30 grams of protein, 0 grams of added sugar. If you want to hand this bottle to your doctor and say, "Is this okay for me to drink every day?" This is the one that gets a confident yes without a follow-up question. And this is not some obscure specialty drink. It's available at Target. Iconic Protein Drink follows the same clean label philosophy as Pioneer Pastures, but with a lighter serving. 20 grams of grass-fed protein, 0 added sugar, naturally sweetened, and lactose-free. It doesn't feel like something a hospital handed you, and it doesn't feel like something a bodybuilder drinks before a workout. It feels like something you chose because you actually read the label, and it made sense. For a senior who wants clean, simple protein without the commitment of a 30-gram bottle, this is that option. For seniors whose doctor or physical therapist has specifically mentioned significant muscle loss, post-surgical recovery, or sarcopenia by name, there is a beverage lane that delivers more protein per serving than anything we've covered so far. Slate Ultra Protein delivers 42 grams of protein in a single ready-to-drink can, 1 to 2 grams of sugar, made from ultra-filtered skim milk. For a senior who has been told they have documented muscle loss and needs to meaningfully increase their daily protein intake, 42 grams in one bottle is a serious clinical tool, not a gym product. You drink one with lunch, you've covered more than half of your daily protein target before dinner. It does use sucralose and stevia together, which some people notice in the taste, but the protein-to-sugar ratio is unmatched in any ready-to-drink format currently on the market. For seniors who prefer to mix their own meal rather than drink a bottled one, Orgain Organic Protein Powder is the clean plant-based solution. 21 grams of plant protein per serving, 1 gram of sugar, USDA organic certified, no added sugar, no artificial ingredients. There are obviously thousands of protein powders to choose from, but we recommend Orgain Organic for the recovering senior over other gym-formulated protein powders. The protein comes from peas, brown rice, and chia seeds together, delivering all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, the specific amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. It's widely available at Costco, Walmart, and Amazon. 1 scoop in a blender with milk or plant milk, and whatever fruit is on your counter gives you a morning meal with more protein, less sugar, and more real food than any of the hospital aisle bottles, at a lower cost per serving. Here's what to do right now. Go to your refrigerator or your cabinet and grab your nutritional supplement, your Ensure, your Boost, your Carnation, your Glucerna, whatever bottle you've been drinking daily because someone you trusted told you to. Read the first 3 ingredients out loud. If you see water, corn maltodextrin, sugar, glucose syrup, or corn syrup in that first group, that bottle was built for the pharmacy shelf. Not for your muscles, not for your blood sugar, and not for what your doctor was actually trying to accomplish. When you're ready to upgrade, keep it simple. Fairlife Nutrition Plan or Premier Protein 30 grams offer the same twist-off convenience and no sugar. Pioneer Pastures or Iconic have the cleanest labels you can hand your doctor. And Slate Ultra Protein or Orgain Organic are the bottles you should choose if your doctor told you muscle loss is a real concern and if you prefer plant-based options. Before you switch, especially if Ensure or Boost was prescribed for a specific medical reason, bring the new bottle to your next appointment and ask, "Can I replace this with what I'm holding?" That's it. But it's important. Your doctor's intention was right. The formula they pointed you toward was out of date. You don't control the recommendations you were given, but you absolutely control which bottle goes back in your refrigerator tomorrow morning. Stop drinking liquid candy dressed as medicine. That is how you build a body that is truly built to last. Subscribe and leave us a comment telling us which nutritional supplement you're currently drinking. Thanks for watching.